There's a huge lizard coming right towards us.
Oh my god.
Holy.
Where did he sneak up from?
Welcome to Sarah and Callum's water safari. We are seeing a lot of water activity. Good morning from Bangkok. So we are going today to explore Lumphini Park, which is a park in the middle of Bangkok, but it's not just any park. Why is it not just any park?
Because it's got monitor lizards in it.
Yeah, it's got huge monitor lizards which are like 3 meters long, so big lizards, not them small ones that you see around. These are huge lizards.
They're really big.
Yeah, like dinosaur style lizards. Yeah. So we're gonna go see some lizards. That's pretty much the plan for today, so come along with us. If you don't already, then like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to see more videos. So I think the walk to the park is about 15 to 20 minutes, but we're having to look where we're going. I've already nearly fallen over at least once. Did I even fall over back then?
There was just like a whole pile of like stones and rubble and everything, which I had seen. I thought Callum had seen it and he just completely walked into it.
Yeah, so she saw it, they didn't tell me that it was in front of me, so
Yeah.
She just wanted to watch me fall over basically. I don't think we're too far off the park. It's literally only been like 10 minutes of walking, but we really want a coffee, so hopefully there's something around here.
This one's mine. Got a bit of sugar.
Nice.
That's for you, love.
Thank you very much. It's really funny because this is one thing that we both love about Thailand. We just turned around and said, oh, we really fancy a coffee.
Yeah.
And it looked like there'd be no coffee places around here. And then walked around the corner and what was there?
Coffee place.
A coffee place straight away. And then we managed to get 2 iced lattes.
2 iced lattes, 70 baht each, so 140 in total. I think that's like our cheapest iced coffee that we've managed to get yet, which is nice. So.
Pretty good. 140 baht, that's like £3. Yeah, maybe £3, maybe a little bit less than £3.
I think a little bit more.
A little bit more than £3.
Yeah.
So about like £3 or so for 2 iced coffees, which when it's this hot, because it is so hot today.
Yeah, it's hot again, isn't it? It's really
Yeah,
hot.
yeah, so you definitely need them. But, cheers.
Welcome to Lumphini Park. Okay, how long do you reckon it's going to be until we find the lizard?
I think I've seen one already.
Really? Where?
You. Right, before we go lizard hunting, we're not going to kill the lizards, just to confirm. Like sightseeing, like a safari. We're going on a lizard safari, not lizard hunting.
Walking safari.
On a walking safari.
Through the middle of Bangkok.
Through the middle of Bangkok. I think this was Bangkok's first ever public park, which is crazy, but then at the same time, when you see how busy Bangkok is, you realise that it mustn't have that many public parks. Maybe it does, I don't know, but it's nice to escape the noise and traffic of Bangkok, to be fair.
Yeah, it is.
So we're going to find a seat, finish our coffees, and then we're going to go lizard sightseeing, not lizard hunting.
Did you see that?
Okay, so I think Sarah's just seen, not a lizard, but signs of a lizard.
There was a great big splash over there. Did you see it?
Yeah, you can kind of see the ripples from where it was. So I think we've got a lizard on our hands.
Is that one? I'm seeing something swimming. Is that a lizard?
I think we've seen a lizard.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? That's our first one.
So you can see the lizard there, just like swimming in the lake bit here. And I think these are called water monitor lizards.
Oh, is there a difference?
Well, I don't know. I guess they like water. But they're called water monitor lizards. Welcome to Sarah and Callum's water safari. We are seeing a lot of water activity. Recently there's been some splashes just down here.
Why have you put on a fake voice?
Sarah thinks my David Attenborough voice doesn't sound like David Attenborough, but the guy of Jumanji.
The guy of Jumanji that pulls up in a jeep like, welcome people.
Or like the guy who sets him on his quest.
Yeah, the guy that's like, welcome to Jumanji.
Well, anyway, we've seen a lot of water activity. Can't tell you what it is. Some like fish maybe, some lizards and some insects on the water surface. So if you'd like to see more water activity, then stay tuned. We just gained some insider information from a local, apparently. He's not a tour guide, but he's a...
Oh my god.
Holy...
Wait.
Okay. Right, always good.
Wait.
There he is. So we was just walking and this guy just walked straight in front of us. So we was talking before, and then as we was walking along the pavement, Sarah spotted a huge lizard that just walked right in front of us. And honestly, I don't think I would have seen it. Like we was talking earlier about how I trip over things. I think I would have tripped over a lizard.
You would have just walked into the lizard.
Yeah, I would have walked into a lizard, which, not on purpose, obviously, but yeah, he just rudely interrupted our walk there.
Yeah, it was cool though.
It was cool. Oh, that's not a lizard, that's a cat. Okay, there's all sorts of wildlife going off here in Lumphini Park, but basically we were sat there on the bench and a local guy just came up to us and told us that he was not a tour guide, but he shows people lizards on the park, which I don't think you need a tour guide for that because there's tons of them.
Yeah.
But he was saying that they climb up the trees, so I don't know how, because it doesn't look like they should be able to, but they're really big and they climb up the trees, probably to get shade or something at the top. So if anyone can confirm that, then comment below. But yeah, we don't know. And then he said that we're on our honeymoon.
It's not entirely wrong, but it was a while ago. So.
Yeah, our honeymoon was like a year and a half ago. We have been travelling since then, but we're definitely not on our honeymoon. And I think if we was, lizard spotting's probably not top of the list to do for our honeymoon. However, it is very cool. Sarah thinks she's found a turtle, but I'm pretty sure it's a coconut.
I was asking because my eyesight's not as good.
Yeah, she's blaming her eyesight, but she thinks that thing down there is a turtle.
Well, it looks like one. It's swimming. The coconut is swimming.
Okay, I formally want to apologise to Sarah because it is actually a turtle. It's not.
It's moving.
It's not a coconut. We'll show you now.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's a turtle. There's a turtle in here as well. I thought it was a coconut. Yeah, she was right. It's a turtle. Let's go see the turtle. I think there's a few turtles in here. Not turtles. Are they turtles? Tortoise.
What's the difference? I feel like we're doing a wildlife show.
Yeah, we're like a wildlife show that doesn't know any of the facts.
Oh, but there isn't the lizard.
There's an where?
Right on the other side, you know, just below the bank.
Below the bank. Ah. Where's the...
There was another turtle that was just below this tree here.
Over there.
And then there's a lizard there.
So coming to Lumphini Park, we well and truly expected to see lizards because there's over 400 lizards here. But we didn't expect to see like little tortoise, turtle, whatever they are. We didn't expect to see them. That's why I thought it was a coconut when Sarah pointed it out, but actually it was. And we've seen two now. And then there's loads of fish and things as well. There's loads of stuff going on here. So because we didn't do our research on monitor lizards before putting this video together, Sarah has used Google to work out exactly what monitor lizards eat. So what do they eat?
Oh, I'm gonna have to get it back up again now.
It was something like eggs.
Wait, there we go. Smaller reptiles, fish, birds, insects, small mammals and eggs.
Small mammals? Oh my word. Yeah, so that's what they eat. But we didn't know that beforehand. Okay, so this is crazy. Look at the size of him. He is huge. So we've achieved our goal of seeing a lot of monitor lizards. If you're in Bangkok, then we definitely recommend Lumphini Park if you want to get away from the traffic, the noise of Bangkok. It's a really nice break just to get a bit of peace and quiet. See some monitor lizards, some turtles or tortoises.
Bit of everything.
Yeah, a bit of everything.
So we're just going to go and get some lunch now and head out of Lumphini Park to cool off a little bit. So stay tuned for our next video. Hope you've enjoyed this one and hit subscribe if you did.